So now let's see how we can work around with color correction wheels inside of HitFilm. So over here you can see that I have this particular footage right here, and in order to apply the color correction wheels effect onto this, you need to go around under the effects tab right here. So once you go around over here, you need to go around under deprecated folder right here because it is an old effect, and over here you can see that color correction is an option over here. So you can see that color correction wheels is in effect right here. So you need to go around and click and drag this out over here on this particular footage. Once you do that, you get the color correction wheels as you can see, and there are 3 wheels right here. The top wheel right here affects out the highlights right here. That is the bright parts of the video, like the sky and the bright sections as you can see. So let's say I want to go around and make the bright parts yellow right here, just like this. The bottom part right here affects the shadows, that is the darker parts of the video right here. So let's say I want to make the darker parts more, let's say blue right here. And the middle one is the mid-range part right here, which affects out the middle colors just like this. So you can go around and change out the color of the bright parts, the dark parts right here as you can see, and then change around the part of the middle colors right here just like this. And then you get the color correction looks. Over here you got the master control where you can go around and control out the saturation. You can change around the exposure as well, and change around the white balance over here as you can see right here. You can also go around and take a color sample right here and change out the white balance. You can go around and change around the highlight strength right here just like this so that you can see more blue, and then change around the hue of the highlights as well, and the lightness as well just like this. Then you have the control of the mid-tone as well, where you can go around and increase out the strength, the hue and saturation over here as well. So besides the color wheels, this is what you can work with right here. Work around with the lightness and everything else. If I were to go around onto shadows, then you can work around with the strength of the shadow right here, change around the hue, you can work around with the saturation as well, and work around with the lightness of the shadow as well. And that is how you can work around with color correction wheels inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.